Hello traders. Today is a Tuesday, 4th of February 2025. Let me share with you how we analyze the market today and help our traders to squeeze amazing pips. All right, so if you're following my analysis on the YouTube, guys, so as mentioned yesterday, we had this beautiful long trade here, price nicely broken as it was expected after this breakout. This is the price action we were expecting it as mentioned in my previous analysis. So today, as you can see here, the price respected this level, so we were expecting a long. So we had one counter short trade the Asian session, I believe, and then we had a beautiful long trade and squeeze amazing pips. And still, traders are holding long. Let me share with you guys on pound dollar. So if you look at just to recap, guys, this is from yesterday. We had a long trade here and then we had a counter short trade as mentioned here. That was a beautiful Asian session. Price nicely broke on the previous low and beautiful short trade. As soon as the price reversed, as explained, my trader consider tightening a stop loss or at least consider banking some pips. So after this counter, and explain as I always explain to my trader, let the price develop a structure and a pattern, then we look for the opportunity. And if you look at the afterwards, we had a beautiful price action is developed, which we explained over trader. As you can see here, price nicely broken. And afterwards, we had the news coming for the dollar, which was negative. As you can see, a price broken and retest. We explained this pullback, another pullback, and price nicely hit to the profit target, which we explained my traders time to consider banking some prep. So trade pound dollar is still going up, as you can see here nicely. This is what I was expecting yesterday. So what is next here? So what we're expecting here, as you can see here, the price broke on the previous high. So we have this impulsive, and if the price develop correction and this is high, then I'm expecting one more push to the upside and expecting around this level. So this is what we're expecting here or moving forward. As always explain my trader, if the price develop a false breakout, give us the confirmation, then we're looking a counter short trade here. So we'll see, we'll let you know tomorrow, guys. And let me share with you the analysis of pound yen. We had amazing trade, guys, on pound yen. Okay, as you have seen yesterday, as we explained, we have this rejection. We had a nice, beautiful long trade here. We have set one short trade here. Afterwards, we had a long trade here. Let's see here if the price is going to break the previous high or not. But if you look at the intraday analysis, we had a nice, decent analysis today on pound yen. If you look at here, we have this was the pretty straightforward as explained because yesterday we had a long trade here. So this is technically is a counter short trade here as explained. My trader here, you can see the first priority would be the pullback. As you can see here, the price nicely developed a pullback, beautiful. Then we have another one, beautiful short trade here. Squeeze amazing profit on pound yen. Then we had it another one, a long trade here because you can see here price nicely came back here and then reverse. So we had another long trade here. You can see a pretty straightforward. We have this impulsive reaction, but as explained, always explained to my trader, we have this impulsive. So price develop a correction. So we are looking for another impulsive. So you can see a price nicely broken, pull back one, two, three, beautiful trade, squeeze amazing profit. That was a beautiful long trade here. Then later on this evening, we also had a couple of, a counter short trade true. But before that, we also had another beautiful long trade here. You can see here the price came back here. Beautiful breakout. After the breakout, we have another beautiful pullback, nicely hit to the target, squeeze amazing profit on pound yen. Then we had another counter short trade here. As you can see here, the price is still respecting this previous high. So we had a counter short trade here. That was the beautiful short trade as you can see here. Amazing trade, guys. So you can see price develop head and shoulder pattern. That's what we explain over trader. And after the breakout, that's the confirmation. We had a beautiful short trade. Price nicely hit to the profit target. As that's what explained over trader, it's time to consider banking some profit. That was a beautiful pound yen. All right, so let's see here tomorrow. We were expecting to break out opportunity for tomorrow. This is the area which we are looking here. We'll let you know tomorrow. But let's see, we have another beautiful trade on long on Euro USD. As you can see here, yesterday we had this long trade here, and then we also had a counter short trade as expecting a pullback, which price nicely did. And if you look ahead this candle, we have a bullish engulfing candle. That's the sign of continuation, and this is the target where we're expecting it. Bingo, price nicely hit to the profit target. Let me share with you guys how we analyze the market in intraday now. So that's the key important. Okay, so if you look ahead, we had it, we were looking at a long trade here. So let's look at this one. This one's the pretty straightforward as mentioned. We had a counter short trade here. That was a beautiful breakout and pullback, squeezed decent profit. And after that, we had it another beautiful. This was the counter short trade I'm talking here. This was the counter short. After that, we had a long trade here. That was the beautiful. You can see it. This is the long trade. As soon as the price broken, we have this counter short trade. After that, we're waiting for the price develop. Price nicely broken this area, as we explained in detail. As if the price gonna be stay here, don't interrupt. And if the broken, beautiful, hit to the profit target and squeeze amazing profit. And afterwards, we had it another beautiful long trade, guys, on Euro USD. As you can see here, this was the beautiful just before the news. We were expecting this breakout. After this breakout, we have pullback and pullback. Amazing trade, guys, on Euro USD bank squeeze. Amazing profit. All right, guys. I hope you enjoy all this analysis, but I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it and enjoying it when you see it in real time. So most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Have a nice day. Until next time, all the best.